He's watching over the nest that's across from the pond that's on top of the shed. Mama Goose is sitting on some eggs over there. It's alright, Father Goose. I ain't messing with nothing. Just sipping the rest of my Saturday morning coffee on the pond. Enjoying a little kayak ride. Peace and quiet. First kayak on the pond for the season. They're working on the footbridge, and the kids are catching frogs. I love seeing them get excited about outdoor stuff.
Don't let him jump, don't let him jump. Push it, turn off. Alright, how many little ones are there?
You got little ones too?
Yes, we have 2 in there. I have 3. Did you catch a third one? Hi. Because he will eat them.
These guys are having so much fun.